Welcome, trader. In this video, we'll explain how to use stop-loss and take-profit orders. One of the keys to achieving success in financial markets over the long term is prudent risk management. So let's have a look at how to use MT4 to ensure you know how to control your risk and maximize your trading potential. Setting stop-loss and take-profit. The first and the easiest way to add stop-loss or take-profit to your trade is by doing it right away when placing new orders. Simply open a new order window by double-clicking on the market that you want to trade in. Enter your particular price level in the stop-loss or take-profit fields. You can adjust one or both of these before you open the trade. You can also add or edit these levels once your position is opened. Remember that stop-loss will be executed automatically when the market moves against your position, while take-profit levels will be executed automatically when the price reaches your specified profit target. The easiest way to add stop-loss and take-profit levels to your already open positions is by using trade lines on the chart. Simply drag and drop the trade line up or down to a specific level. By using the trade line on the chart, you can also modify stop-loss and take-profit levels simply and quickly. You can also do this from the terminal module as well. To add or modify stop-loss or take-profit levels, simply right-click on your open position or pending order and choose Modify or Delete Order. The order modification window will appear, and now you're able to enter and modify stop-loss or take-profit levels by the exact market level or by defining the points range from the current market price. Now that you know how to place stop-loss and take-profit levels, let's explore another very useful feature known as the trailing stop. Let's say you've opened a long position and the market moves in the right direction, making your trade a profitable one. Your original stop-loss, which was placed at a level below your open price, can now be moved to your open price so you can break even, or above the open price so you are guaranteed a profit. To make this process automatic, you can use a trailing stop. This means that if your trade is currently running a profit and you want to protect that profit from reversals in the market, the trailing stop will automatically follow the price according to your settings. Remember that a trailing stop on MT4 is only active when you're logged into MT4 and have a working internet connection. If you want to use trailing stops without being logged into your trading account, you can do so with our own award-winning platform, XTB 5. To set a trailing stop, right-click the open position in the terminal window and specify your desired pip value of distance between the take-profit level and the current price in the trailing stop menu. Once you've done this, your trailing stop is now active. This means that if prices change to the profitable market side, the trailing stop will ensure the stop-loss level follows the price automatically. Your trailing stop can be easily disabled by selecting None in the trailing stop menu. If you want to quickly deactivate it in all open positions, just select Delete All. As you can see, MT4 provides you with plenty of ways to protect your positions in just a few moments. Thank you for watching. See you for the next lesson.